In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use chat on Clickup, a versatile tool for team collaboration and communication. If you're new to Clickup or just looking to get the most out of its chat feature, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can start seamlessly integrating this tool into your daily workflow. First, open your web browser and head over to Clickup's website. Once there, you'll see the main landing page for Clickup. If you're not already logged in, locate and click the Login button, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. For added convenience, you can choose the option to sign in with Google, which is often quicker and easier, especially if you're already signed into your Google account. Once you've successfully logged in, you may need to select the specific Google account you want to use with Clickup, especially if you have multiple accounts. After your account is selected, you'll find yourself on Clickup's homepage. Here, what you'll want to do next is identify the grid icon, usually symbolizing a menu, located somewhere on your dashboard. Clicking this icon will expand a menu, giving you access to various features offered by Clickup. Among these options, look for the chat feature. Click on chat to open the interface where you can begin setting up your communication space. You'll notice an option to name your chat. Naming your chat is crucial because it helps in organizing conversations, particularly if you're planning to have multiple chats going on at once. Choose a descriptive name that clearly identifies the purpose or the group participants. Now, with your chat created and named, you can start typing messages to communicate with your team. This feature is designed to foster effective and efficient communication in real time right within your ClickUp environment. Adding messages is simple and intuitive, just like most chat applications. You'll type in the input box and hit enter to send. After sharing vital information or starting your team discussion, click on the Create Chat button to finalize the process. This ensures that your chat is saved and accessible for everyone involved. It's as easy as that. Using chat in ClickUp is a game changer for project management and team collaboration. It allows teams to stay in touch and on task without needing to shift between tools. It's integrated right alongside your tasks and projects, which keeps everything centralized and streamlined. Remember, effective communication is crucial to the success of any project, and now you have the tools to make it happen directly within ClickUp. Happy chatting!